Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be working on a 2020 Kia Sorento, and I'm going to replace the PCV valve, positive crankcase ventilation valve. I'll show you where it is and how to check it. This vehicle has about 50,000 miles, so I think it's okay, but it's an easy fix, it's an easy change out, and it's just kind of preventive maintenance on the vehicle too. One thing I do want everyone to do if you got a Kia Sorento is check your oil frequently, because these things can start burning oil, and one of the reasons they can start burning oil is the PCV valve going bad. So to inspect it or to replace it, it's a pretty easy job. You're going to need a pair of pliers, maybe a screwdriver, and I've got a socket. I believe it's a 21 millimeter. I don't have a 21 millimeter. I'm going to use a 13/16 socket, and should work fine. I've already got the new part. By the way, it was less than $15 for the part. So you just pull this cover up and it just pops into place. So I remove that, and PCV valve is right here, and it's got a hose that goes back to the inlet. So to remove it, I'm gonna get some pliers and pull back that clamp. Oh, and that came off right away, so no problem with that. And I put this socket on. You may need to use a driver to get it off. Not a driver, but just a wrench. I'm just using my hands and twisting it. All right, so that's the old one. It's got a little bit of debris that'll build up right there. And here it's still moving. It's probably still good. I haven't noticed oil consumption. I check my oil about once a month, and depending on how many miles and how often you drive it, it's probably a good idea to do that. So I could inspect it. You just blow in there. It should seal if you blow this air, maybe a small amount of leak, but I'm just gonna go ahead and replace it. So this is the new one. You blow down on it. There's a small amount of air that comes out, and it's not much. So if yours is bad, you're gonna have a lot of air coming out of it. So the installation is just the reverse. I'm just gonna put it on. It's got a rubber O-ring right there. Tighten it till it's snug. It's a thick O-ring, so it should, if you snug it up, it should seal that portion well. Okay, that's snug. Put the hose back on. Put the clamp back on. All right, I'll put this cover back on, and that'll be all there is to it. So it's a quick, easy check and replacement.